Nangibabaw ang galing, ganda at talino ni Mirna Esguera ng Abra matapos koronahan bilang Binibining Pilipinas International 2024 sa ginanap kagabi na Grand Coronation Night sa Araneta Coliseum. Una pa lang ay pinaingay na ni Mirna ang Binibining Pilipinas stage matapos humakot ng mga special awards kabilang na ang Best in Long Gown, Best in National Costume, Best in Swimsuit, Binibining Urban Smiles at Binibining Philippine Airlines. Sa top 15 question and answer portion, ikinamalas ni Mirna ang kanyang winning answer sa pagsagot sa tanong ni Miss Universe 1973 Margie Moran na if a time machine brings you back to 1964, 60 years ago when Binibining Pilipinas began, what message would you tell the Filipino women of the time about the women of 2024? Pakinggan natin ang kanyang sagot.
I will tell to the women of the past that we have achieved our goal, which is to empower women. Standing here at the age of 17, I started to finance for my own studies and help my family financially. I was able to do this by all those women who paved the way to empower us to always reach for our goals no matter what it is. Because in life, we can always achieve our dreams as long that we believe that we can. And thanks to them all. Thank you.
Hindi naman bilang Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 si Hasmin Bungay ng Pampanga, Tristan de la Cruz ng Zambales bilang first runner-up at Trisha Martinez ng Pila Laguna bilang second runner-up. Nakatanggap ng tig 1 milyon piso sina Mirna at Hasmin at tig 400,000 naman sina Crystal at Trisha. Samantala, tila nga reunion naman to ng mga Miss Universe Philippines Miss Universe na sina Gloria Diaz, Margie Moran, Tia Wurzbach at Catriona Gray. At yan ang entertainment news na nag-iisang Diyos sa balat ng radyo. Ako si Jocelyn Tatak Aramet.